Hi my loves, it's your girl Nana back with another video. So in today's video I will be showing you how to achieve a zebra eye look. I will be using two of my favorite liquid eyeliners, which are the NYX liquid eyeliners. One is in the shade black and the other one is in the shade white. And I'm just going to do my eyeshadow first and then I'll line my eyes. So first I am going in with my ColourPop palette. This is the Sweet Talk palette by ColourPop. And I'm just gonna go in with this shade right here. This shade is called Catch Me, and I'm just going to apply this on the outer crease of my eyelids. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe M506 brush and I'm just going to shade out the outer crease of my eyelids. So now I am going in with this shade called Melody, and I'm just going to put this shade on the inner crease of my eyelids. So now I'm gonna go in with this shade Hookup from my Morphe 39L palette, and I'm just going to apply this on the outer crease of my eyelids. So now I'm just going to line my eyes starting with this NYX liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes. So now I am going in with this NYX white eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my eyes on top of this black eyeliner. To clean up my wing, I am just going to use my Tarte concealer in the shade Tan Deep Honey, and I am just going to use my Morphe concealer brush, and I'm just going to shape up the wing of the eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna finish off this look with applying some foundation on my face, some lashes, and yeah, I'm just going to finish off this look with that. And this is the finished look, loves. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned something from it. Personally, me, I love this look. I did a really good job on this look. And yeah, guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, my loves.